everyone, it's me, as the one. I don't know why I think my name like DOS, playing Among Us Airship Tycoon 30 minutes. Okay, and I'm gonna choose to play it in 16-player mode because it's cooler. And 15-player mode has 3 imposters. Okay, I don't know why I like to be poop. Poop is hard water, hard version of water. Hard version of water must be ice, but I don't know why this soft water, but not liquid water, soft. Hard water, poop. I don't know, I'm just gonna chase people and splat them with my poop. It's basically poopy fart, but I don't know, whatever. It's just stupid poop jokes. Is this low Wi-Fi or is it normal? Oh my god, first turn imposter. I'm just gonna... Someone already sabotaged the lights. Okay, I'm just gonna do nothing. Hope I didn't accidentally press vent or whatever. Where is the electric? I'm just gonna do innocent job or nothing, whatever. Where is... Okay, I hate this maze. I'm telling you. Isn't it here? I'm scared of killing everybody. You know. Should I do it? No, I shouldn't. Where the heck is... I hate this maze. Where the hell is everyone? Okay, is it just me? It isn't the lights. It's just some random people just making this very okay, it makes me more suspicious things. I'm sorry for killing anyone. Why should people do this? Press who? I'm not good at this. This is of course a dead body. You saw it or don't. Whatever. This ponytail girl is something. And this guy and Knock. Okay. Just what happened to the third imposter? I mean, what the heck? Okay, this girl is stupid. And the next emergency meeting is going to vote that guy who told everyone to vote this guy. Or girl, whatever. I'm just not gonna do any sabotages or kill. But whatever, I'm gonna... Because now everyone can see. And I'm happy. There's a picture over here. I'm gonna kill it and pretend it's nothing. I don't think you can really see what is happening because the lights is not on. Whatever. I'm just actually... Wait. The imposter closed the door again. What the hell is wrong with you? It's just making me more uncomfortable. Hate this. Ah la 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 la. Whoa. Yes. But I'm not gonna play this anymore. But Uh-huh. 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 My sister. Okay! What is wrong with her? I'm just in for 5 minutes. This color is similar to poop color, so I'm gonna play this. I just want a match in 5 minutes. Hope I get crewmate. Let me see. Imposter vision and crewmate vision is close, so I don't need to care. Is this the recommended settings? The speed is so slow. I mean, I'm not a ×3 speed player, but 1.75 or 2 is the right speed. Okay, I got crewmates. This is actually pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna do my tasks. This must be the clean toilet task. Oh my god, stop leaving because you're not the imposter. Do people in Airship often poop? Because they often clog toilet. The toilets are always blocked by poop. So people in that clan love to poop. Or they just often get food poisoning because they don't know how to make Krabby Patties. Like, the kitchen room has that make Krabby Patty task thing. I hate this task. It's randomly opened. Doors. In the last game, this is opened. This is number 5. Number 3. Where's number 3? Very helpful. Where's number 3? Oh, it's fixed. Pretty quick. This. Stop! I hate you. Whoa. And do the Among Us pet know how much battery do I get? And 75, and these are some random YouTube notifications and some random notifications class for zombies. I don't care. There's an ant. There's an ant on my lap. Ooh, I hate insects. Get out of my body. Quick game. Did he say quick game? Yep, quick game. Yep, we're skip voting. I hate ants. I'm telling you, I hate insects. But they were kind of cool. Yep. This is the place you make Krabby Patties. Or whatever. Okay, this person is doing the same tasks. Oops. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna go to the closest one. Okay. I bumped into the table. Not this again. This is number 1, is it? Wait, what? 1, 2, this is number 5. I already selected number 1 and 2. It is good for them to save our task progress. And is this number 4? This is number 7. Number 4. Oh wait, number 5. is right down there. Number 5. 2 more. Number 6. The final one is right here. Number 7. Yep, and we need to go fix wires in the engine. Oh! What again? Quick Shot was killed. Oh, the one who blamed others? Did Quick Game kill him because it blamed Quick Game? I'm gonna Quick Game. Vote Quick Game. Lies. I don't know. I'm gonna vote you off because obviously, if you can type in here, it would be better to explain. Quick Shop. Let me think of the sentence. Quick Shop. Think you're the imposter. You don't want him to say anything about you or sus or whatever. So you killed him because you're an imposter to not let people hear any more about, oh my god, Quick Game is so sussy. Whatever you say, they just don't want it to hear that or whatever. Just hope he don't kill me. I'm 100% sure Quick Shop is the imposter. 100% sure. If not, I'm gonna slap my face 10 times. 10 times hard. You're gonna hear it later if it's not. I'm a good crewmate doing all my tasks. I'm a good crewmate. I'm gonna do all the tasks because I am good. I am in the crew. I need to finish my job or I will be fired. Divert power. Easiest tasks. Easiest task. Not tasks. Only one. Whatever it is or whatever they have to do. Last? No. This is not my last task. My last task. I almost finished mine. 169. Nice. I'm gonna do the other side. Wait, that's Quick Game. I should avoid him. 49171. 4. Okay. Oh no. Let's just hope no one see me. I am not here. Goodbye or anything. The last task is right here. Quick work. I did all my tasks. I'm going to the cockpit. Hey, look at that cock. It's very big. Okay, this is gross. Yeah? What the hell? How do you pronounce this? It's obviously Quick Game. Yep, he agrees with me. Let's hope Quick Game is the imposter or I'm gonna slap myself in the face 10 times. Well, let's just hope he's the imposter, Quick Game. Just reveal yourself. Oh, yes, I don't need to slap my face. Yeah. This is fun. Okay, 14 minutes into the Among Us video thing. Okay. I'm gonna say that argument again because, I don't know. Quick Shop suspect Quick Game And Quick Game, being the imposter, don't want to hear anyone sussing him, so Quick Game killed Quick Shot and then reported it. Oh no, they just don't want to hear any sussy words. What? I'm so lucky today. I'm not gonna do anything and just let them do their tasks. I don't know. What the hell? No dead bodies found. So? I'm not gonna say anything. Just be quiet. Huh? 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 Whatever. Did you use cheat code? What did you do? Why? Whatever, it's not fun being in four players only game anyways. Whatever. Whatever! I hate hackers. I hate hackers. I'm gonna use poop skin. Or they just don't like poop. It's so stinky, so they vote us. Vote me. I don't know. I think they hate poop. They think poops are stinky. Okay, are we gonna wait here? We're not gonna wait here. We're gonna find another game. No, we need to not waste time. We need to not waste time. You are not here to see me wait for a game to start. Yep, this game is starting. 1.25 speed. This is good. Let's hope I'm one of the imposters and I'm gonna do nothing. Ah! Wait, I'm green. No, this is not green, this is lime. Whatever. What is wrong with this? It's lagging. What is this person doing? What the heck? I'm not gonna help you. Bruh, you took my poop skin. Hate you. I'm just AFK, whatever. Why is it so laggy? I would steal all these coins and be billionaire, trillionaire, infinity dollar-naire, whatever that's called. Hey, what are you doing? What happened to me? Wait, it's so laggy. What's wrong with this game? What's wrong with this game? I'm not gonna kill you. It's so laggy. Okay. Okay, we're not going that way. We're going this way. Don't go that way. Everybody's going that way. Go this way, quick. It's so laggy. What's wrong with this game thing? What's wrong with this thing? Hard water. Rip. Sunny mint. Egg sunny side up. I never heard of the mint sunny side up. Why did people vote me? Did they use cheat codes? I didn't do anything. What's wrong with you? I hate lag. Suck. To help my imposter friends. Wait, it's not lagging anymore. Okay, I'm gonna just go out and fly for no reason because I love to. La la la, I'm a ghost going blah blah blah, The border of the map is a triangle. You see? The lines, you can't go that way. It's all you can go. And you have a bended line and you stop here. You see? My joystick, I'm still moving, but I stopped. And you go here, go up. It's a pointy end, the airship. I fall to the ground and died. I'm just curious. Do airship maps have machine guns and rocket launchers at the top and the bottom of the ship? Like when they see some military vehicles trying to stop them, they just like press a button and then just all his machine guns and rocket launchers show up and just shoot the military. I don't know if they had those, but it looks like very simple airship. Why do I need to pick a spawn point anyway? I don't think they have any of those. What's this map? There's your map is... I am gonna sabotage the lights. This is the end of the map. I think inner sloths should do it better because ghosts can get out of the ship, right? What is this guy doing? What are you doing? You need to fix the crisis first. You're stupid. Ugh, I'm gonna just close all the doors for no reason. Oof. What are you doing? What do you want? Hello? Hello? We're friends. Ah! Ah! Hee hee ha ha. A serial killer was killed by the imposter, which means the imposter is the best one. Light show. Everybody voted, idiot. Let's just... Okay, the imposters lose. Whatever. Yeah, whatever. The imposters lost. We may as well play one more game. Wait, it's 10 people. It's 10 people. 10 people. Ah! It's 10 people. You can't start without full people. Imposter for 2 times. Whatever, I know this vote is not on. I'm sorry, imposter friend. I'm gonna gain trust to everybody. I don't know. Are you thinking should you vote your imposter partner or others? Vote already. Vote. Gak. Ah. Wait, anonymous vote is on. Just as I thought. You can get to that. They make the Mario da 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 da